In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your ElevenLabs API key and how to restrict it effectively. Whether you're developing a new project or simply exploring the vast opportunities that APIs offer, accessing your API key is an essential step. Plus, we'll discuss how to apply certain restrictions to keep your key secure and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already signed up for ElevenLabs, I highly encourage you to do so, and you might find it beneficial to use our affiliate link, which can be a great way to support our content. Now, assuming you've registered and logged in, you'll want to navigate to your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once there, look towards the bottom left of your screen. You're going to click on Developers. This is the section where all the magic happens in terms of tapping into ElevenLabs capabilities through API integration. Now that you're inside the Developers area, direct your attention to the API Keys tab. This is where you can manage all the keys associated with your account. If you've been here before and created some keys, you'll already see a list of them neatly presented. If you're starting fresh, don't worry. It's a perfectly simple process to create your first key. To begin, just click on Create Key. This will open up a dialog that allows you to set up your key with particular attributes. First, you'll need to give your API key a recognizable name. This is particularly helpful if you plan on having multiple keys for different projects or environments. After naming your key, you'll notice the option to restrict key. It's highly recommended to enable this feature. By doing so, you ensure that your key is used solely for its intended purpose, thereby reducing unnecessary risks. Continuing with key restriction, you can apply a credit limit to your API usage. This setting controls how much your key can be used, in terms of requests or other metrics, essentially keeping you within a safe budget. This is a powerful feature if you're running multiple APIs and need to allocate resources judiciously across your projects. Next up is selecting the features you want your API key to have access to. This is important because it will determine what your API key can and cannot do. Carefully decide on the permissions based on your project needs, and remember that it's always safer to grant the least amount of privilege required. Once you're satisfied with your configurations and settings, go ahead and click Create Key. Just like that, your API key will be generated. You'll see it displayed on the screen, and you can conveniently copy it to your clipboard for use. And there you have it. That's all it takes. You've successfully created and managed your ElevenLabs API key with appropriate restrictions. Keep this information safe and enjoy developing with confidence knowing your API interactions are both efficient and secure. Thank you for watching and happy coding.